Hey guys, wanted to make a real quick tech tip video here for the M1000RR, also the S1000RR, and anything that really has a cable clutch on it. There's been a few people that complain about not being able to find neutral with their quick shifter, and usually the cause is really simple. It's just a clutch adjustment issue. So if the clutch comes out of adjustment or needs to be readjusted, sometimes it's going to be very hard to find neutral. So the way to fix this, or the way to see if this is an issue, really easy. So on these bikes, you loosen this, which allows you to move this one. This is really just kind of a lock. So you move this out of the way and you adjust this back and forth. When you adjust this back and forth, let's say you go this way or this way, the bike itself the clutch will catch either lower or it'll catch higher. And you want to find a happy medium where the clutch is catching kind of right in the center, like right there, not too far out, not too far in. If it catches too far in, that's where you have the issue where you can barely find neutral, things like that. So you want to play with it a little bit, but make sure the bike is warm when you start this, because if you start adjusting the clutch while the bike's off and then turn it on and start riding around, the adjustment will actually change as the bike warms up because heat expands. So you want to make sure the bike's fully warm before you do this. The bike's fully stopped, and then you can adjust it, ride up and down the street, take it back, do the adjustment again. Just keep adjusting it, and eventually you should be able to find neutral extremely easy. On this M1000, for example, it was easy to find neutral when I first got it. Probably about 20-30 miles in, it became next to impossible to find neutral on this bike. With a simple adjustment after about 100 miles, easy again. I'll just keep adjusting it until it needs it. This applies to anything, like I said, with a cable clutch. If we have something with a hydraulic like this is a different story on how to fix this, because these clutches on those Ducatis sometimes become very spongy at times, and there is a fix for this. And if you guys want a video for that, I can make one, but this video is just for the cable clutch at the moment. So that's your quick tech tip.